successful trading.
Our traders in our Discord room are recording 10 baggers week in and week out. Our one-on-one coaching featuring flow algo, technical analysis, position sizing, and risk management.
While we learn to trade options as a beginner.
Hello, welcome to Successful Trading. For this video on Power ETRADE Scanners. This is something that we have talked about in our article on the blog, Power ETRADE Review. So part of that, we want to showcase the built-in scanner inside of the Power ETRADE tool on here, on how you can go about using them. So here is an account where on this sub account that I have here, I have no positions. So how do we go from the main inside view that you have here into the scanner? You select live action. So click on live action, and they have actually categories. The way that the scanners are set up here on Power ETRADE, they're per category, and inside of each category you're actually going to have different scanners. So here for us, we are looking at unusual activity. So this unusual activity now is going to bring us into all of these scanners or built-in scanner already. Let's go ahead and maximize my screen on here so that we can fully take advantage of them. So there's one, for instance, that may interest people: percentage out of the money calls on the offer. Yeah, so that's bullish, right? So minimum 2,000 out of the money calls on offer, and for stock greater than $1. Yeah, I mean, my only thing on here, I prefer the little bit when they let you somehow edit some of these. I don't think they give that anymore. So I'm just gonna go here and run it and see what it gives us. So the outcome on here, it's about 20 stock or so. So for you, if you don't want to trade penny stock, here's what you do, right? You're going to go, for instance, instead you select volume or the highest percentage on offer. But for me, let's say I'm gonna go first and say, hey, give me the biggest stock. Amazon is one of them. Tesla, boy, that's actually the opposite of which that I wanted, because the extremes are always, I mean, trading Amazon can be okay, but Tesla, yeah. Netflix, maybe. I mean, especially now, second day after earnings, so what are they going to do, right? So Apple, okay, now we're talking a little bit more. Definitely SPY, yeah, SPY on here. So it has 4% on out of the money call volume on offer. Yeah, okay, but really the one that's for us, the interesting part here is maybe Apple, or maybe can we find something? Moderna. Oh Jesus, Moderna. Okay, sure. Moderna stock is doing a yo-yo, up and down, whatever. Okay, I'm wasting time on here. I have so many one, but again, I'll give you an idea here. So here's Neo. Yeah, Neo is another one. Halliburton, yeah, something happening with the energy today. MPC was up big time in pre-market as well. Norwegian Cruise Line, something on here. People are buying those. So yeah, so you can get trade on here. Again, for me, I'm showcasing this just as other strategy that here, because for any strategy you need to be able to backtest it. So I haven't backtested this to tell you that I've been using it successfully or whatever. So this is something that we're gonna be doing in the future, obviously. So if that's not some unusual call volume, let's go to unusual call volume. Okay, so the difference, for instance, here you can run them by difference on here. So BNTX, Beyond Tech Sponsor, is having this huge volume on option on call option today. So that could be something that gets you into that trade. AZN of the like, I mean, so yeah, definitely you can filter by the stock price on here and avoid some of the, I mean, NSK, Northern Dynasty, I mean, sure, but it's a $2 stock, less than $2. So yeah, Ericsson, yeah, interesting, bullish on here, right? So that does give you how many. So just for unusual activity, how many scanners do we have? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17. Price, percentage price gainer, percentage price loser, price gainer from open, price loser from open, gap up on high volume, gap down on high volume, trade at 52-week high, trade at 52-week low, depend whatever you want, total option volume. Jeez. Okay, that's just unusual activity. Yeah. So we want to make this video short. How about volatility? Oh my goodness. Symbols where the 30-day implied volatility has gone up at least 30% in the last week. Symbols where 30-day implied volatility has gone down 30% in the last week. I mean, you have them all here. Yeah. So whatever angle that you want to look at regarding volatility. So the classical ones, continuation diamond, head and shoulder top. I mean, oh, let's just go run them. Yeah, folks, look at them. Yeah, same thing. So plenty of things to trade on here in terms of strategy. This is the beauty of Power ETRADE. So we are doing a review of Power ETRADE, and more particularly inside the review of Power ETRADE's trading platform, we are looking at the built-in scanner that already exists. So again, here we can filter by the highest price. So BA is part of, is currently showing a head and shoulder. And here on the, so if I need to click on it, yep, you click on the stock and then they give you the chart. Yeah, they give you the chart. So a head and shoulder top. Yeah, so here's the head, here's the shoulder top on here, and here's the continuation here. So, and they give you the commentary. A head and shoulder top was confirmed on 7/16 when the price broke down through a major support level. The pattern marks the end of a period of distribution at the top of major uptrend and signal a reversal to a new downtrend. The pattern from over 14 hours and 30 minutes, which is a rough guide for how long it might take to reach the target price of 168, 170. So currently, what's the price on here? 172. So it will be good to see, hey, if this thing reach its target. So BA is definitely one of those examples where we're gonna come back and put them to the test, because BA is a is a major stock, right? So that's it. So yeah, that's, we can highlight that's one on head and shoulder pattern. Because let's open another pattern here. Well, I mean, double bottom. Yeah, I mean, for our calls buyer on the hello, double bottom, three lows on top. Trilo, believe it or not, Trilo for us, we had it for on a different reason on here. So a double bottom was confirmed on 7/17. So the target to reach the target price of 231.5, my friend, has already gone above that. Yeah. So it's just one of those. So right now it's trading at $245 on here, and you see that double bottom on there. I mean, all of this is here available to you inside of Power ETRADE. You don't have to triple top. My goodness, triple top. I didn't even triple top. So we scan here. What stock of value that's we may know? I don't know of any one of these stocks. So triple top 1, 2, 3. Okay, the target price $8. Okay, thanks. I will pass. I will pass by. Forget triple top. Can we go megaphone bottom? Yeah. Do we have any stock of value on here? That's we can lift up FCA. Yeah, this stock, for instance, Feezers or whatever. Yeah, that's the target 107, 108. We are currently at 102. So you can take that trade on there if you want it. So you have all of this. Again, we are here. If you are catching this video as of now, we are looking at, we are Monday, July the 20th, and we are looking at the Power ETRADE review, going through the scanners inside of them. So far we showed, I mean, there's so many unusual activity, volatility. We're looking at the classical, right? The short-term ones, oh boy, look at the short-term ones. So well, what is this? Bullish engulfing, bearish engulfing. If we run it, and then we just go and scan this thing in the order of from highest price. Cooper Software, yeah, Cooper Software is the stock that has been super bullish. Yeah, this is it here. So they're showing you engulf bullish, and then the target price. Did they give a target price here? That buying pressure has over one prior selling pressure, but they're not giving you a sales price. So but at least DIA, the Dow Jones ETF on there, did they give a target price? No, they are not. Wow. So maybe not if you are not well versed to technical analysis, you may not take advantage of that. Let's quickly go through other categories on here. So you have inside bar, bullish or bearish, hanging man, inverse head and shoulder. So outside bar, 2 bar reversal. Oh my goodness. Maybe I'm curious about the inside bar, bearish. Which one did they have in here? Can we do? Come on. Okay. Oh, okay. Google is in there. Restoration hardware. McDonald's. Interesting. McDonald's. That get my attention. So McDonald's on here, but they're not giving us a target price. We may see lower price ahead. We may see lower price ahead. Come on, guys. Come on. You have to do better than that. So you see, some of them may have a target price. Some of them may not have a target price. Obviously, you as a trader will prefer something with a target price. There's no target price on here. That we may see lower price ahead. Okay. So McDonald's and definitely is one that we can take a look at. We may see target price ahead. So that's the short-term scanner on there and showing you some of these scans. So for us, we want to go to maybe indicators, technical indicators. What do they have? Price crosses moving average, price cross moving average, price cross moving average. Okay, price crossing moving average. Fantastic. Okay, guys, in terms of indicator, a triple moving average crossover occurs when a shorter. Okay, let's take that. Okay, so I just got distracted for a minute over there. So we are looking, okay, oh boy, the Dow Jones Industrial Average is in a triple moving average course bearish. Okay, so we saw it on the other one. No, I don't remember which one it was. Okay, AMD here is one that would be interesting to me. They are calling it a triple moving average crossover bearish. The 4-period moving average goes below the 9 bars, which goes below the 18 bar. This triggered a bearish event on 7/17, on July 17 at July 17 was Friday, yeah, at 2:15. The price is likely in an established downtrend, which, considering the time frame of the moving average, shorter term moving average smooth out other shorter terms. Okay, folks, I'm gonna hold them accountable to this because they are not giving me target price, but it will be interesting to see what goes on here. And look at them, the list is really long, right? So for you, again, that's why the sorting, it's the filtering here, but you wish we could just filter, say, hey, less than, and I'll show the orders, but you can get them here. The IWM Russell 2000 is there, so that's definitely plenty. So my friend, in terms of scanners, you have plenty of them, and here are the oscillators. Oh boy, the MACD, if you want to run one on the MACD, and then we are going to close this video. So my sorting, SPY, the Dow Jones ETF is already there. So just XLF, the financial one, yeah, meaning the banks. You can definitely you see that there as well. So yeah, my friends, this is our review of the Power ETRADE scanners as part of that larger review that we're going to be posting on our blog successfultradings.com. We thank you for your time. If you are considering learning technical analysis, we provide one-on-one coaching at successfultradings.com. We catch you later on our next review. Bye-bye.